Hello, my name is Claire. Today we are going to be making a snowstorm in a jar. First step, you need to gather your materials. You'll need baby oil, a jar, you don't need a lid for the jar, some acrylic paint that's white acrylic paint that's water soluble, 1/4 cup water, a little bit of glitter, stirring utensils, and an alka seltzer tablet. Okay, so the first step is you take a teaspoon of white acrylic paint, and pour it in the water and mix it up. Now we're going to add the glitter to the paint solution water and mix it in. The glitter will make it look kind of bluey and sparkly like snow. Okay. And then we're going to take our baby oil and pour it 2/3 of the way in the jar. Now I'm going to pour my paint water solution into the baby oil. Goes to the bottom because it's heavier. And let it settle. Okay, now comes the fun part. I broke up my alka seltzer tablet, and I'm gonna take some of the pieces and I'm gonna watch the snowstorm. Oh, that's so cool. It's snowing. It's bubbling from the baking soda in the tablet. That's so cool. It's like a snowstorm because it falls down so beautifully from the top to the bottom. But it first has to come up to fall down. Just like we need the clouds for the snow to come down. See, the bubbles are almost like the clouds holding in the little drops of acrylic paint. Thank you for watching.